made it to the class, to the session. Okay, so let me show you the screen. Sorry, I need to enter my password first, and I'm going to ELT115, and in the tab called Evaluación, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and there's a formative listening quiz. Have you taken this one, this formative listening quiz? Have you? Haven't you?
Teacher?
Yes, sir.
This quiz we have to do now?
It's a formative quiz,
formative.
Yes, formative quiz.
Yes.
It doesn't have a grade. Have you taken this quiz before?
No.
No. Natalia, Pia, Sebastián, have you taken this quiz before?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. All right. So if you're looking at my screen, it says previsualizar el cuestionario ahora. I'm going to click here. It says comenzar intento. I'm going to click there. And it says listen to the recording. Drag the phonemic symbol representing the initial consonant sound of the word missing. Okay, so this is the recording. Okay, so that's the formative listening quiz. So you have not taken this quiz before, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to go to the LMS to take this formative listening quiz. Formative, I'm going to switch to Spanish for this one. Formativo implica que no tiene nota, solamente es práctica. ¿Ok? Es solamente práctica, no tiene nota. You can take it as many times as you want. You can take it now, you can take it later, you can take it again, and again. Okay? And remember that sometimes you will have to focus on the initial consonant sound, and sometimes you will have to focus on the final consonant sound. Pay attention to the word initial or final, okay? Now let's do the first one together. I mean, the very first one, this one. Okay, I'm going to replay this. Okay, so which sound do you think is missing there? I mean, there's a missing word, right? What's the initial sound of that missing word?
Teacher, Bastian is saying if you can please invite him. Bastian Alvaca.
Okay, Bastian.alvial. Okay, done. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sebastian. Okay, so which is the first? Which is the missing word here? So the missing word is different. Is that right? And the initial sound for different is this one, right? So you drag the phonemic symbol. You drag the phonemic symbol and you put it there. Okay? So that's the exercise that I want you to do. That's the procedure for this formative listening quiz. All right, guys? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go to the LMS and I want you to take this formative listening quiz. Okay? As I mentioned before.
Teacher?
Yes, sir?
This listening is for today or for the next week?
Right now.
Right now, okay.
Yeah, let me switch to Spanish for this one. Este no es el quiz que vamos a tener la próxima semana. Este es un quiz formativo, es un quiz de práctica. No es el quiz que va a tener nota, que ese es cierto, nosotros hablamos de hacerlo la próxima semana. Este es un quiz de práctica, ¿ok? Formativo. So I think you're going to take between 10 to 15 minutes. When you finish, you go back and we talk about the results. Okay? Now, do you have any questions about what you need to do now?
We have to do the listening or the writing now.
Come again, Bastian?
We do the listening or of the writing right now. What we do first?
You do the listening. The listening, yes, this one, the formative listening quiz.
Okay.
All right, which is at the bottom in the tab called, en la pestaña llamada evaluación, the tab called evaluation. You go to the very bottom and it's right here. Formative listening quiz, consonant sounds. All right? And it's not, it's formative. I'm switching to Spanish for this one. Formativo, en este caso significaría que no tiene evaluación, no tiene nota y es solamente para que ustedes practiquen lo que se va a hacer la próxima semana, donde vamos a tener un ejercicio similar y donde ustedes se enfoquen, ¿cierto?, en identificar el sonido inicial o identifiquen el sonido final consonántico, que es lo que estamos trabajando en esta última parte de las sesiones. Okay, so go to the LMS now, take the formative listening quiz, and come back. You're going to take between, I would say, 10 to maybe 15 minutes. So after you finish, you come back and we discuss the results. Okay?
Professor, we have to do both of them, the writing quiz too, right? Or just listening?
The listening and okay. Yeah, and both quizzes, the listening and writing, you can take them over and over again because they are for practice, for practical purposes. So I'm switching to Spanish again. Son formativos ambos. Ambos ustedes los pueden tomar cuantas veces quieran porque no tienen una nota involucrada. Entonces lo pueden tomar ahora o después o en 3 días más para estar ahí. Pero ahora lo que yo les pido es que tomen el quiz formativo auditivo. The Formative Listening Quiz. ¿Ok?
Solo el de listening, ¿cierto?
Yes. Eso no quita que ustedes después, cuando tengan tiempo, durante el día o otro día, quieran tomarlo de nuevo o quieran tomar el formative writing quiz. Pero ahora, now you have to take the listening quiz, all right? So I'll be here. Come back in 10 to 15 minutes, right? So go to the LMS now, please.